Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do something pretty special from Mürren and the Jungfrau region. We are going to paraglide down the Lauterbrunnen valley. So stay tuned and let's get into it. So today we are going to go paragliding from Mürren to the valley of Lauterbrunnen. To get there you can go from Lauterbrunnen to Mürren via the gondola and then the mountain train via Grütschalp, or you can go walk in the Lauterbrunnen valley and take the gondola from Stechelberg up to Mürren. And the meeting point with your instructor will be right next to the Schildhorn gondola. So just met with our instructors and we're going to go just here up there and then going to fly. So we have a short walk, we're gonna go up there and then we're gonna fly. So I booked this activity on Get Your Guide. This was 190 francs. You'll see based on my face at the end of the video and the footage that it's definitely worth it. They provide you with all the safety equipment. I had a helmet. In total, the experience took about an hour and a half and the flight in itself will take about 20 minutes. All right, all strapped up, ready to fly down the Lauterbrunnen valley.
I walk the streets of silence, tears stream down my face. Stuck in an endless cycle, will my luck ever change? It's only you can turn my world upside down. It's true, now I wish we could erase and rewind. I'm bringing back the fire, fire, fire. It's burning with desire, desire, desire. My love will take you higher, higher, higher. Becoming victorious. Stuck in an endless cycle, will my luck ever change? It's only you.
Hi Alexis, I'm still good.
It's true. Now I wish we could erase and rewind. I'm bringing back the fire, fire, fire. It's burning with desire, desire, desire. My love will take you higher, higher, higher. Becoming victorious. Bringing back the fire, fire, fire. It's burning with desire, desire, desire. My love will take you higher, higher, higher. Becoming victorious.
All right, I made it alive and this was definitely an experience of a lifetime. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.